Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and as you can see, I have not decorated the cover of this journal yet, but my husband and I went somewhere really pretty yesterday and I want to get it put into my journal. I'm going to skip this page because I'm going to put October on here, a little label that says October on there. So I'm going to go inside and I'm going to glue this envelope down. And I'm gonna, I was thinking that I would just kind of, no, I wanted to see this though. So I guess I'm going to, as you can see, this is a sticker picture. So I'm just gonna glue it to the top though, so we can open the envelope, because I have a map, which unfortunately is in the car, and the car is not here, which I'm gonna put into the envelope. And I also want to stamp the date on it. I actually stamped the date on the wrong side. One more mistake of this journal. But for now, I'm going to see how it will look if I stamp it on the bottom here. And then I'm tempted to, I don't know. I kind of want to take the paper off and stick it on, but I have to do too much finagling so it's not sticky everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue that on like this. The place that we went to was Wilbur. I don't know if you can see it. Or Betty and Wilbur Davis State Park in upstate New York. And let me tell you, if you can see a little glimpse of the picture over here, it was an absolutely gorgeous place. Now, we have driven through it before, but we didn't get out of the car to look at stuff. Now, this was a little carving. I guess it's supposed to be a bear, but to me it looks more like a squirrel, but it had no tail. But and there's my dog, Dobby, down there. This was in the middle of a woods, and there was a few little picnic tables in there, and it was just a really cute place. And then I have another view of the pond. There's two ponds there. We just went to this one, and the other one was on the other side of the street. Very similar, but not as picturesque as this. It was kind of just like in an open field. And they had a playground, and they had beautifully clean bathrooms, which is something very important to me. And so yeah, I'm just gonna glue these pictures down, and as you can see, they just fit on this page, so that's good. So I'm gonna glue the envelope down, and that just has a picture that I found on the internet of the welcome sign there. Beautiful cabins too, by the way, that you can stay in. If you get on their website, you can see pictures, more pictures, and pictures of the cabins and the inside of the cabins. So if you're interested, it's Betty and Wilbur Davis State Park. I'm not sure what town it's in New York, but it's in the Cooperstown, kind of Skenevis area. Alright, so I think I'm going to put my scenery pictures on next. And I'm glad I have a lot of pages in here, because as you can see, if I use this size photo, it's going to take up a lot of pages just for one spread. And I have little, you've seen that. This is one of the little pictures from the Kodak step prints. But sometimes it just doesn't do, these little ones just don't do the scenery or pictures of my grandkids justice. So I like to print out some of these bigger ones. And the color, I think you can see, is much better in these. Even with, people, the coloring is better. And I'll put this one here. And yeah, if I would recommend, if you're going to get a printer, to get the Canon Selfie. I don't know how. There's videos you know, on YouTube that show you how you can take smaller pictures with it. I haven't really experimented with that yet. But I think I would like to, because the color is so much better than the step print. and that's, I like that one though. I'm not bashing it, but I think that the colors might come out better on the small photos if we're using the Canon Selfie to print them out. So that's my spread for October 1st. And I'm going to put a little map in there, like I said, Betty and Wilbur Davis State Park, and this beautiful little spot that we found there. And that's my whole entire spread. Thanks so much for watching. I hope your autumn is going well. We're going to go back here next week because these colors are going to be spectacular in the second week of October, which is usually our best beautiful color week. And anyway, I hope you're having a great autumn. I hope you're happy and healthy. And I thank you so much for stopping by. And we'll see you again next time.